Today, we're going to connect Datadog to our self-hosted Playbooks platform. Start by navigating to the Integration section in your dashboard. Click on Connect under Datadog. Now go to Datadog's platform and create an API key. Add it here. Now go to Datadog's platform and create an app key. Add it here. Now enter your domain. Datadog calls it site parameter. To fetch the site parameter, you need to review and add the relevant domain. Now, test the connection and save it. If you now go to a playbook, you will see two new tasks added. Fetch custom metric from Datadog. Fetch a metric by service from Datadog. You can select any of them, copy a sample query, and paste it. It will fetch the query results from Datadog to the playbook. This completes your integration with Datadog. If you face any issues in Datadog integration, please reach out to us on GitHub or the community.